Some of you guys will remember I bought this used, turns out very used, recovery machine, the Yellow Jacket R60a. And yeah, it just won't pull a vacuum and just no pumping, you know. So I'll take this apart and get a look. So I took the crankcase cover off basically, and yeah, everything's working with respect to the connecting rod. Crankshaft is all okay. I took the cylinder head off. Top the cylinder head, the cylinder itself, that all looks okay. Surprisingly, don't know if you guys can see in there or not, there's no scoring, no nothing. However, this is the piston. Now I don't know much about much, but the seal, I guess it's effectively a piston ring. Yeah, that can't be right. Anybody out there know you can get rebuild kits for these things, guys? Let me know. That's it, boys. Cheers.